I started online selling here in the UAE with 312 dirhams, I had no supplier, no system, no idea what I was doing. But I started with 312 dirhams, and that decision changed everything. If you're in the UAE right now, you have a job but no savings, this video is for you. Because I'll show you exactly how I started from zero to my first sale. Most people want to start online selling but they don't. Not because it's hard, but because nalilito lang sila the process. They keep asking, what product? Saan kukuha ng supplier? How to accept the payment? Paano yung delivery? So instead of starting, they stay stuck. It's the same at that point. So instead of waiting, I took an actions. Pumunta ako sa mall, I look for discounted items, hindi branded, hindi perfect, pero alam ko my market. I bought a few pieces and total around 312. Then I started posting online. This is exactly what I did. I took a simple photos, I posted on Facebook, TikTok, and I replied to messages. I closed my first sale. Then I arranged a delivery, minsan COD, minsan online payment. That's simple, not perfect, but it worked. My first sales, hindi malaki, but it was a proof that this works. Later on, I started doing live selling, and I sold multiple bags in one session. Not because I'm special, but because I started. And listen to this. You don't need a big capital. You don't need a perfect plan. What you need is a clear system and the decision to start. Kasi kahit gaano kasipag, if you don't have a system, you will stay stuck. That's why I created a simple step-by-step guide, not a theory, real process here in the UAE, from product sourcing, payment setup, courier, and platform. So you don't have to guess everything. Now you have two choices. Keep watching videos or finally start. And if you want the same system I use, type guide me or click the link on the description box. And if you want the same system I use, type guide me or click the link on the description box.